Cloudy, windy, but beautiful. 7 o'clock, just over 60 degrees on the porch. What a great day. And I don't know if you can see this, but there is pollen covering the car. It's totally crazy. I don't know how well it shows up on the camera, but it says wash me. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm so excited because today we're making ESPN Wings and we're making Rapunzel drinks. That got really dark. Let's go. Oh boy, hello guys.
Hello.
You ready for drinks?
Yes.
We're making Rapunzel drinks.
Yay! That's my favorite drink.
What do we call
Is it?
them?
I don't know, what are we calling them?
Rapunzel rails. No, Rapunzel ales.
Rapunzel ales?
The Rapunzel ale.
Tangled ale.
Tangled ales.
No. I forgot. One hand, okay?
At last I see the drink.
Yeah. Yeah.
At last I see the mocktail.
Yeah.
As is every single week, folks.
We.
Into the glasses, put the ice.
I thought you were gonna say we make the drinks.
And while the kids are making drinks, we're cooking our ESPN wings.
Yes, we're making ESPN club wings from Disney, the Disney recipe. And we've marinated them. We made the spices, and now they're in the oven.
I'm so excited for that.
Me too. And we're gonna air fry them instead of putting them on.
Fry them, yeah. It's a good idea.
How you guys do with the ice?
Done.
So we decided to make these drinks super simple this week. It's only 2 things and a fun garnish that you'll need.
Yes.
All right, with the ice in the glass, let's fill them all up halfway with some ginger ale. That looks pretty good. To the ginger ale, please add the Concord Grape Crystal Light.
That's her dress is purple. Oh. As you can see. Yes. Yes.
How'd we do, guys? Did we nail it?
Yes.
Is it purple?
It's not very purple.
I think we too much ginger ale, but it's pretty.
At least to add to that, what do we have, Michelle?
The yellow hair.
We have Rapunzel's yellow hair. We found yellow Twizzlers.
That have yellow filling.
Oh, yellow sour filling.
Yeah.
What? That's what makes it. There we go.
So cool.
It's too bad you can't use those as a straw.
I know.
That'd be fun. Add yours. Oh, fantastic. They look good.
That
Do,
is not.
do they taste good? Bloop.
We'll have to find out.
Bloop. Bloop. Bloop.
There you go, guys.
That's mine? Okay. All right, take a sip. Tell me what you think of it.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
That's really good.
Is it really good?
It's actually really good.
The drinks are fun. But hey, Amanda, you know what?
What?
Our wings are almost done.
They smell so good.
And I don't know if the kids are gonna like them because they're covered in hot sauce. What do you guys think?
I don't think we're gonna like them. I'm not gonna try them.
Are you gonna try a
Are
bite?
you gonna try a bite?
No.
Well, we gotta finish making these, so let's kick the kids out of here and then talk about the recipe while we finish.
All right.
Quick 1 o'clock p.m. porch update. Somehow it's gotten colder. Amanda,
Yeah.
the wings are almost coming out.
I'm so amazed how they smell.
They smell unbelievable.
Let me.
So far, we've done a few things ahead of time to get started. The first thing we did was we made a citrus marinade and we let it stay in there all night long.
Yes.
For the citrus marinade, we had a cup of orange juice, 2 cups of water, we had sugar, salt, cracked black pepper, basil, oregano, and onion powder. We put all of the wings inside of that, and then we covered it with saran wrap and we let it sit in the fridge. And then when it was done, we took it out of the fridge, we put it on the table, and we took the saran wrap off. After we took the saran wrap off, we put it on aluminum foil on a tray, and then to that, we dipped it all in the wing spice.
Which is?
Celery salt, granulated garlic, white pepper, and chili powder.
But I forgot 2 of the ingredients.
You forgot 2 of the
The
ingredients,
white
so
pepper and the celery salt.
I'm sure it's gonna be
little
really
different.
good, just a little bit different.
Yeah.
But They were really good. So you dip them, you bread them, you put them on the aluminum foil on the pan, and then you put them into a preheated oven that was preheated to 375 degrees.
For 25 minutes.
For 25 minutes. Now that's the pre-bake. After you bake them, we're at the step now where we're making the wing sauce, and then we're gonna air fry these bad boys.
Yes.
And eat them with our faces.
Oh, I'm so excited.
And it looks pretty spicy, so I don't know why you wanted to do this. I'm good with it.
I think it'll be
But
fun.
you don't like spice.
I think it'll be good.
All right, well, let's get started making the wing spice. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna get the air fryer set up, and then we're gonna mow. Hey, Amanda.
Yeah?
While those are air frying,
Yes.
would you mind making the sauce?
I would love to.
All right, so in this recipe for the sauce, we need black pepper, chipotle peppers, red hot Louisiana hot sauce, cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper. That's a whole lot of hot, Amanda.
I
Are you
know.
gonna deal okay with this?
It might be a little hot for me, but I'm gonna try.
There's already chili powder on the wings as they're air frying.
It's all right. I think I'll be okay.
All right, so the first step, 1 1/3 ounce of Frank's red hot sauce. Oh yeah.
Yep.
To that, put a teaspoon of black pepper.
Good?
Perfect.
Okay.
After that, 10 flakes of crushed red pepper.
10 flakes.
How do you do 10 flakes?
I'm
Just
gonna-
like, yeah, there you go, that's good.
Yeah, okay.
I guess so. If we put 20 flakes, does it make it worse?
Yeah, room.
That's weird.
What's next?
Normally we'd have a pinch of ground white pepper, but we don't have white pepper.
Sorry.
So we're gonna do a tablespoon of Louisiana gold pepper sauce.
Yeah, I didn't know what that was, but I found the Louisiana hot sauce. So.
Same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that just looks spicy.
Good. All right, that's good. All right.
That is looking pretty red.
It's really red.
We need 2 chipotle peppers.
1,
Bloop,
2.
bloop. 1.5 ounces, finally, of cayenne pepper. Looks good to me.
Woo.
As soon as those wings are done air frying, we're gonna dip them in the sauce and then eat them and melt our faces off. Just stick your face in it, take a big whiff.
Woo, it is spicy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm like tearing up.
It looks so good. Quick air fryer update. 25 minutes on the timer. Though I don't know I'm gonna leave it in that long because we pre-cooked them, so maybe 10 more minutes I'll leave them in.
Just to crisp them up.
They smell amazing. Please hurry.
Also, we've changed drinks.
Oh, have we?
We have.
Oh, what are we drinking now?
Mai Tais.
It's a Mai Tai afternoon. Amanda,
Yeah.
are you ready for wings?
I'm so ready.
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So per a request from Amanda, we've left some of these
Unsalted.
unsoused. But holy crap, they look good. And look at the soused ones.
They smell so crazy.
And I put extra sauce on this one.
That one's yours.
That one's mine, and I'm gonna eat it so good.
Okay.
However, would you please take one and eat it?
Yes, I think. It's really hot. Can I give it a second?
Let's let it cool down.
Okay.
Have they cooled down yet, Amanda?
Think so. All right, yes.
All right. If you please.
Okay. I need to dip it in blue cheese.
First bite, no blue cheese.
Really? Okay. Look at that. Oh,
That looks like a good wing.
it's really good.
I love the air fryer. Did it come out good?
It's crunchy.
Is
Crispy.
it spicy?
It's spicy. he's coming. It's slow. It's a slow heat. Very salty.
Yeah, that recipe called for a lot of salt.
Too much salt.
I would cut all of the salt out.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit of salt. The heat, it's bad, but it's not like crazy. It's like a slow burn. Okay, there it is.
I saw this coming.
All right, it's your turn. I did it.
My plan right now is to eat this really saucy one. I'm excited.
Oh my God, look at that.
It's so saucy.
It's dripping.
I'm so excited for this.
Focus.
It's like molten lava.
What do you think?
That is way too salty.
Yeah.
Do I have like
Nope.
all over my face? No?
No. What do you think about it though?
Too salty, but it's delicious. The air fryer did a great job, and I think pre-baking them and then adding the sauce was awesome.
Yes.
However, the amount of salt the recipe called for is disgusting.
Yeah.
Take it all out.
Yep.
But they're delicious.
Oh, hear that crunch.
I love it. I love it. All right, Amanda, that's it.
Those chicken wings were awesome. Yeah.
So we'll see you guys next time.
Don't forget
Until
to
then.
bring home the wings and the milk.
The milk.